Here we go, guys. Let's see.
3 plates on first day.
No way!
It's not even a struggle, though.
Are you kidding me?
This video should be seen by every bodybuilder in the world. And it's so easy, though.
Yeah.
My God.
He's doing the same number of reps as us.
With the same amount of struggle, too. Like, you could have done more reps.
Yeah, you're stopped.
I want to stop when the form goes down, kind of.
Wow, it's
Like, we're not exaggerating for the camera. It's like genuinely mind-blowing. You're 165. You've 160. Never done this in your entire life, a single rep.
Yeah.
And you just did the same working weight and reps as us with more range of motion and with good form.
and with what he just said he stopped when the form went away. Every bodybuilding coach in the world just wants to give you a hug right now. They're all just like, God, we love this.
Hats off to you, man.
Hats off, you intuitively knew just holy shit.